I can speak many languages fluently.
Oh, sounds good.
Is there anybody here who will find out what is my mother tongue is? Maybe Kannada,
Two.
English,
Hindi.
Malayalam.
Tamilu.
And so you all accepted my defeat.
Oh no.
Pandit, and your people take your own time.
In our Pandit in court, bed and food arranged in.
Okay, Majesty.
Oh, well, that's it.
Please, Pandit, get up. Please, Pandit, get up. I am a minister.
Majesty, Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu.
Yes.
Well done, Birbal, you have, but indeed, prove it, find it out.
Your Majesty, a time difficulty, a person speaks his mother tongue.
Clever Birbal, you have indeed prove it with again.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I accept my defeat. Long it that Birbal cleverer than me.
A few words.
Nehruji, he was the Prime Minister of India and he loves children and today wonderful day because today we are celebrating Nehru's birthday as Children's Day and the Children's Day was celebrated in November 20th after the death of Nehru's and celebrate on November 14th. It was very difficult when he was
Yes, Srikanth, for your wonderful information about
ಕೂಡಿ ಅಂದು ಮುಷ್ಟಿಯು ಹಲವು ಮಂದಿ ಸೇರಿ ಸಮಷ್ಟಿಯು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಕ್ಕಲು ಒಂದೇ